Let's look at what Office application is. Microsoft, if you're going to, as we continue interacting, you're going to hear me talk of MS, 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 MS throughout. MS stands for Microsoft, then Office application. Microsoft Office application is a suite of applications designed to help with productivity and complete common tasks on a computer. These tasks that we're talking about are basically office tasks. Tasks that are related to offices, to our day-to-day activities. When I say office, doesn't mean that you have to sit in an office to use Microsoft Office. No. You can use it anywhere for as long as it can fulfill the purpose of which you want. Use it. Let the name not confuse us and we say, it's for only people in offices. No, it doesn't actually work that way. It is an application software. What do we mean by application software? There are, I'm going to talk about two categories. There are more than two, but the major ones that I'm going to talk about when we come to software, because according to the definition of software, we know very well it's a set of instructions that tells a computer what to do. But then when it comes to application software, or when we go to the major two categories, we're going to find out that we have system software, then we have application software. Whereby the system software is the software that helps the computer to perform, to run, or to perform its functions. An example of this will be the operating system like Windows and Mac OS, Ubuntu, and so on. Then we have what we call the application software. Now what we are looking at an example, which is Office application. When we look at application software, these are softwares that are designed to help users perform specific tasks. If you wanted to watch a movie, you will need a software that is used for watching movies. If you wanted to type your document, you'll need a software that is for typing. You can't use for typing for watching and then use for watching for typing. You can't alter the two. What does it mean? Each specific software can do a specific task that is under the application software. If it is used for watching, it's used for watching. If it is used for playing songs, it's for playing songs. If it is used for typing, it's for typing. If it's used for photo editing like Photoshop, then it does only that. I want to pause a little bit to give you time, a room, to think about 5 application softwares. Or even to make it interesting, list down, get a pen or a paper. It's just a simple exercise. Wherever you are, get a pen and a paper and try to list down about 10 application softwares that you know. Softwares that are used to accomplish specific tasks. Think of them. We use them every day. When you want to go to the internet, when you want to browse something, what do you use? Which software do you use? When you want to type, what do you use? When you want to design your picture, what do you use? When you want to watch a movie on your laptop, what do you use? Those are all examples of application software. And for this case, we are looking at an interesting one, which is the Microsoft Suite or the Microsoft Office applications. Okay, I think we have listed down what we needed to list. Let's look at some of these things that I'm talking about. Microsoft Word is number 1 example under what we are going to look at. And Microsoft Word is a text processing application. meaning you can use it to design your text. So Microsoft Word basically is used for what we call Word documents, word processing. Your typing, your letters, your whatever you want to do, as long as it's a Word document, you're going to need what we call Microsoft Word. It is one of the packages that we're going to look at, or one of the applications under Microsoft Word. Under Office application package. One of the things that we're going to look at is Microsoft Word. Then after Microsoft Word, we are going to look at Excel. Microsoft Excel is an application used to create and edit spreadsheets. Now in Excel, we are dealing, the other side we are dealing with Word documents or documents. Here we are dealing with what we call the sheets or spreadsheet. And when we go to Microsoft Word, there we deal with pages. But once you come here into Excel, here we are dealing with sheets in form of books. We have books divided into sheets. As we advance, we shall be able to look at all that. Then we also move to PowerPoint. PowerPoint is commonly used to create presentations using slides. So in when it comes to PowerPoint, we are going to be dealing with what we call a presentation, how to create a professional presentation. Like maybe you've been given an assignment and you have to present in class, you need to use PowerPoint. Maybe you're going to preach somewhere, you need to design your PowerPoint of your sermon. Maybe you're going for a business trip and you need to make a presentation. So Microsoft PowerPoint becomes a very handy tool to use. And here we deal with what we call slides. In Word we deal with pages. In Excel we deal with sheets. In PowerPoint we deal with slides. And then it takes us to, we also have what we call Access. Don't be confused by these arrows that maybe from one you go to another, to from another you go. No, this is not the sequence that you have to learn in. First of all, you can learn any, you can start with any and you'll still be able to learn. This is just a design that I did, how I wanted my presentation to be flowing. And this is actually PowerPoint that I designed that is giving us this flow. So you can do in Access. Microsoft Access is used when working with a database using relational data. So when you want design, when you want to come up with a database, when you want to design a database, then you're going to need what we call Access. And then when we come to our class, we are interested in 3 things that we're going to look at this semester. And one is Microsoft Word, Excel, and then PowerPoint. Access, at this level we are not going to look at Access because it is outside our content, what we're supposed to cover. It's not within Access. So these few weeks that we're going to be interacting with you, basically we are going to be interacting about the first 3, which is Word, which we are starting with. We have Excel, we have PowerPoint. Thank you so much for watching this very first part of our class. The continuation of this, or the next continuation, it's still the first class. This is just the introduction, but the continuation of it we're going to get in the next video. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.